Welcome to our journey into the captivating realm of conscious language, where mere words hold the power to shape destinies and manifest desires. As we embark on this exploration, we'll uncover the potent secrets of harnessing conscious language, understanding how every word spoken is akin to casting spells upon the universe itself. So, are you ready to be a wizard or sorceress in your own right as we unlock the secrets of the universe? Let's start by first discussing where conscious language all begins, with our thoughts. Thoughts, the silent whispers of our consciousness, are energy and vibrations that shape our reality and bring our desires to fruition. When our thoughts are expressed through words, those thoughts gain tangible form and have the ability to become potent spells that can alter the course of our lives. Through enough conscious intention, our words are given the power to manifest directly in our world. But know that once a word is spoken into reality, it cannot be undone. It reverberates through the fabric of existence and leaves an enduring imprint. This underscores the significance of mindfulness in speech, as each word uttered possesses the potential to shape outcomes. With the potent power of language also comes a responsibility. It's crucial to wield conscious language ethically, ensuring that our words align with the highest good of ourselves and others. Respecting boundaries, seeking consent, and holding ourselves accountable for the impact of our words are pivotal in this practice. Throughout millennia, civilizations across the globe have recognized the profound influence of language and thought on shaping reality. Ancient Egypt, with a legacy dating back over 5,000 years, revered words encoded in spells found within sacred texts like the Book of the Dead. In the words of Ptahhotep, an ancient Egyptian vizier, instruction in good speech is more important than ever. It is the thing that lasts. In ancient Greece, starting around the 8th century BCE, the philosophical concept of logos underscored the power of speech and reasoned discourse, influencing Western philosophical thought for centuries. Similarly, during Europe's Middle Ages, spanning from the 5th to the 15th century CE, words were imbued with divine potency, employed in prayers, rituals, and incantations as conduits to the divine realm. Meanwhile, ancient Indian civilization, with roots reaching back to approximately 3000 BCE, cultivated a rich tradition of mantras, sacred sounds believed to possess transformative powers, reflecting the profound understanding of the vibrational nature of reality. In the words of Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, speech has power, and words do not fade. What starts out as a sound ends in a deed. In the modern era, conscious language can be seen as magic in fantasy movies such as Harry Potter. But what if I can prove that your words have power already? Well, here is the great part. I actually can. Studies have been done that show how words can have a direct impact on the world around us. There have been multiple groundbreaking experiments done by Dr. Masaru Emoto that shed new light on the relationship between words and consciousness. In Dr. Masaru Emoto's water crystal experiment, he explored the unexpectedly powerful relationship between thoughts, words, and the molecular structure of water. By exposing water to different words, music, or even thoughts, Dr. Emoto observed how these stimuli influence the formation of water crystals. Positive words and intentions, such as love and gratitude, resulted in the creation of beautifully intricate and symmetrical crystals, while negative words, such as hate and anger, led to distorted and chaotic formations. This experiment provided compelling evidence of the impact of human consciousness on the molecular structure of water, suggesting that our thoughts, words, and intentions can indeed affect the world around us at a fundamental level. Similarly, Dr. Emoto conducted another notable experiment known as the rice experiment, where he examined the effects of positive and negative thoughts on the decomposition of rice. In this experiment, Dr. Emoto placed cooked rice in separate containers and labeled them with either positive or negative phrases. Over time, the rice exposed to positive words or intentions remained relatively unchanged or even showed signs of fermentation, while the rice subjected to negative words or intentions decayed rapidly and emitted foul odors. This experiment further underscored the profound influence of human consciousness on physical matter, demonstrating how our thoughts and words can impact the environment and even the very essence of life itself. Now let's get into how to effectively harness conscious language and manifest your desires. It's valuable to follow a systematic approach when doing so. It all begins with our thoughts and the vibrations we bring into being. Begin by setting clear intentions, defining precisely what you wish to bring into your life. Once you have a clear vision, it moves to carefully choose words that resonate with your intentions, ensuring they evoke the emotions and energies you seek to attract. Then the next step is to speak these words with unwavering conviction, infusing them with your belief and confidence. However, it's not enough to rely solely on words. Take inspired action that aligns with your intentions, reinforcing the manifestation process. Lastly, release any attachment to specific outcomes and trust in the natural flow of the universe. By consistently applying these steps and integrating conscious language into your daily life, you can unlock its transformative power and shape your reality according to your deepest desires. Furthermore, it's essential to acknowledge that others may develop this ability for self-serving purposes. To safeguard ourselves from potential negative influences, we must cultivate inner resilience, wisdom, and discernment. Through introspection, we reclaim our inherent sovereignty, tapping into the wellspring of inner strength. Wisdom gained from life's trials fortifies us against manipulative forces, enhancing our defenses with each obstacle overcome. Protection requires sharp discernment to navigate through illusions and distinguish truth from deception. By refining our intuitive faculties and aligning with cosmic energies, we establish a barrier against manipulation. Thus, armed with inner strength, wisdom, and discernment, we stand as sentinels of our consciousness, resolute against malevolent influences, firmly anchored in our divine truth. The highest and best outcomes come not from control or manipulation, but from aligning ourselves with the natural flow of the universe. By infusing our words with clear intentions and taking inspired action, we become active participants in the co-creation of our reality. Moreover, surrender allowance within conscious language encourages individuals to release control and open themselves to acceptance, acknowledging that not everything is within their power to change or manipulate. By incorporating surrender allowance into our linguistic choices, we invite a sense of peace and flexibility into our interactions, embracing the ebb and flow of life with grace and understanding. In doing so, we unlock our true potential as conscious creators, shaping our reality in harmony with the cosmic energies that surround us. As we conclude this exploration of the transformative power of words, remember that every syllable spoken reverberates through the cosmos, shaping the fabric of existence itself. If you found this journey into the realm of conscious language enlightening, consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support allows us to continue delving into the mysteries of existence and sharing valuable knowledge with our community. We also invite you to leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you experienced the impact of conscious language in your life? We'd love to hear from you and engage in meaningful discussions about this fascinating topic. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who may benefit from harnessing the power of words to transform their lives. Together, we can spread awareness of the incredible potential that lies within each of us to create a reality aligned with our deepest intentions. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and may your words be imbued with intention, manifesting a reality filled with love, abundance, and infinite possibilities. Until next time, nurture your light.